You didn't hire an agency to burn money, so where are your results? Tell me if I'm wrong. You signed an agency, paid a fat retainer, and 3 months later, you're still waiting for results? That's not a partnership, that's a gamble. When we built Spectrum BPO, we didn't want to be another agency selling hope and dashboard. We built an engine. No hype, no reselling, just a system that actually helps brands grow on Amazon, Walmart, and beyond. Today, I want to pull back the curtain, show you how it works, why it's different, and where we're headed next. Under one roof, we've built an integrated team where human expertise and AI work side by side to grow your brand across Walmart and Amazon seamless. Here's how we drive growth across both platforms. Our PPC specialists use AI to manage campaigns across Amazon and Walmart from a single strategic lens. We optimize for each platform's unique algorithm while maintaining consistent brand positioning and profitability goals. We use AI tools to analyze search behavior on both Amazon and Walmart, identifying high-converting keywords for each marketplace. Our content team then crafts platform-specific listings that rank well and convert whether customers are searching on Amazon's or Walmart's algorithm. We monitor your account health 24/7 across each platform, flagging policy violations, negative reviews, or inventory issues before they become problems. Whether it's a suspended ASIN on Amazon or a listing violation on Walmart, we resolve it instantly. We help you manage inventory intelligently across all marketplaces, preventing stockouts on your best sellers while avoiding overstock penalties. Already selling on Amazon, we make Walmart launch seamless. Already on both, we help you identify the next opportunity. Target Plus, your own D2C site or beyond. Every AI-generated insight, every campaign change, and every listing update passes through 3 layers of human review. The AI gives us speed across platforms. Our people give us precision for each marketplace. Because e-commerce growth isn't one lever, it's a system. And systems only work when every part is aligned. Most sellers face the same 3 problems. They scale revenue on platforms but lose profitability. They master Amazon but struggle to launch on Walmart. They work with multiple agencies but lose control and visibility. At Spectrum, we solve this by focusing on what actually builds wealth: sustainable ROAS across all platforms, ACoS and TACoS stability, catalog health on every marketplace, long-term brand positioning, data-backed decisions across channels. We don't just manage ads, we manage your entire e-commerce growth ecosystem. That means better conversion, better visibility, and most importantly, predictability. Now, here's something that truly sets us apart. We offer postpaid billing, we earn after we deliver, we don't ask you to blindly trust us, we show you the performance first, then we invoice. We do this because a partnership should feel safe, not risky. When an agency believes in its systems, it doesn't fear accountability. We welcome it. The future of e-commerce is changing fast. AI is evolving, new marketplaces are emerging, competition is rising, margins are tightening, so how are we preparing? We're building the next generation of our engine on 3 pillars. Deeper data intelligence across channels. We're investing in advanced AI that doesn't just report on what happened, but predicts what will happen next across Amazon, Walmart, and emerging platforms. This means we can anticipate market shifts and adjust your strategy before your profits are impacted. Smarter AI plus human collaboration. We're moving beyond basic automation. Our systems handle complex tasks such as cross-platform inventory forecasting and real-time bid optimization. This frees our teams to focus on high-level strategy, creative innovation, and building your brand. True full-funnel growth. Across every marketplace, we're using AI-driven cross-channel insight to map out intelligent expansion paths, whether that's deeper into Walmart, launching on Target Plus, TikTok, or building your own D2C site. The future of e-commerce isn't just about being on more platforms. It's about mastering them all with one intelligent system. That's about turning the chaos into a single, unified engine that builds momentum while you sleep. If you want clarity, structure, and growth that lasts, let's talk.